1967 Pontiac Lemons. Price, $24,750. Location, San Antonio, Texas. The 1967 Pontiac Lemons is the kind of classic American muscle-era machine that instantly steals the spotlight wherever it goes. Finished in a stunning bright red exterior with a sleek black roof, this car delivers pure vintage attitude from every angle. From the shining chrome bumpers to the aggressive stance sitting on legendary Cooper Cobra tires, this Lemons looks like it just rolled straight out of a golden era highway scene from the late 1960s. The moment the 326 cubic inch V8 engine fires up, the car announces its presence with a deep, unmistakable American rumble. Paired with an automatic transmission, the driving experience feels smooth, powerful, and effortless. This is not just a car for collectors to stare at in a garage. This is a machine built to be driven, enjoyed, and admired on open roads. The Rochester 2-jet carburetor keeps the classic performance alive, while the aluminum radiator helps maintain reliable cooling during long cruises. The interior perfectly captures the charm of old-school American comfort. Inside, the spacious bench seat layout creates a relaxed cruising atmosphere that modern cars simply cannot replicate. Features like air conditioning, power windows, and a push-button radio add extra comfort while preserving the authentic vintage character. Every detail inside the cabin feels like stepping back into an era when cars had personality, style, and unforgettable road presence. The exterior styling of this Pontiac Lemons is what truly makes enthusiasts stop and stare. The combination of red paint, black roof, chrome accents, and raised white letter tires creates the perfect muscle-era look. Mounted on classic 15-inch American racing-style wheels, the car delivers a bold and timeless appearance that photographs beautifully and commands attention at every car meet, gas station, or traffic light. The Pontiac Lemons played a huge role in building Pontiac's legendary performance reputation during the 1960s, helping pave the way for icons like the GTO. This 1967 model represents a perfect blend of classic styling, V8 performance, and everyday drivability. It is a piece of American automotive history that still feels exciting nearly 6 decades later. The best part about this Lemons is how complete the package feels. It offers vintage looks, dependable mechanics, classic V8 sound, and timeless muscle car energy all in one unforgettable vehicle. Whether cruising through town at sunset or parked under bright lights at a weekend car show, this Pontiac delivers the kind of attention modern cars spend millions trying to achieve. The 1967 Pontiac Lemons is more than just transportation, it is a rolling time capsule from one of the greatest eras in automotive history. For classic car lovers, muscle car fans, and anyone chasing true American nostalgia, this beautiful machine proves that style and character never go out of fashion.